Hey man, I'm gonna really try to be real with you because I wish I heard this 1 or 2 years ago. Trying to feel so productive, but in reality, I wasn't really doing that much in my life. I didn't see that much progress. And I feel like that was because I just felt like I had to watch YouTube videos. I felt like it was such a part of my life that if I didn't watch a million videos, I just wouldn't be the same. And I wish I was okay with not being the same because that's what you actually need to get better. You need growth. You need a change. And that's something that I was afraid of a few years ago, maybe even a few months ago. And if you're not sure who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like sharing things that I've learned. So hopefully you can think about something that I tell you, which will make you get better as a person. Because I wish I had a video like this 1 or 2 years ago when I was watching so much YouTube. I was scrolling, I was playing video games, doing all those things, and not getting anywhere in my life. Because I already knew what I really had to do. I already knew what my weaknesses were. I already knew that I was super not social. I knew that I had to talk to people. I knew that I had to put myself out there more, be more in public, and go out more. I knew that was one of my main constraints. And instead of actually going out and doing something, I would just watch YouTube videos on how to be social. I already knew how to be social, but I thought I wasn't good enough. I thought, oh, but I need more practice. The actual practice, though, was talking to people. As I've walked here to talk to you right now, I saw 3 people as I was walking here during the nice view I'm at right now. And I just said hi to them. I said hello. It's not some crazy thing of talking some whole conversation, but it gets me so used to talking to people and being with people. And that's something I've really been trying to focus on lately, actually going outside and doing things. And the funny thing was I already knew I should be doing this for so long. I knew I should be going out. I knew I should be talking to people I see on the way, saying hi to them at least. I knew I should be doing those things, but I just haven't. I made some excuse that I'm busy working, I'm busy trying to make money, I'm busy watching YouTube videos. I'm so busy, 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 but I wasn't busy on the thing I needed to do in my life. I was so distracted and caught up by all these video games, all these YouTube videos and stuff. And if you want to know how I quit all of these things, I don't watch YouTube anymore. I don't play video games. I don't eat junk food. I actually live a pretty fun life, I would say. If you want to know how I did all those things, click that video in the description where I talk about how exactly I stopped watching so many YouTube videos. And hopefully, this can be one of the last videos you watch, because you already know what you need to do. You know you should be going outside, being out your comfort zone, doing that workout. You don't have to be perfect, it's completely fine, but if I at least tried doing something about this 1 or 2 years ago, I feel like I would have been so much ahead in my life, because now I feel like I'm just starting to get social. I'm just starting to talk to people regularly, get used to talking to girls and stuff. 2020 really messed me up, and I just never practiced going outside and talking to people ever since now, really. I've lost that touch for 4 years, even a bit longer, because, I wasn't the best 2019, 2018. But if I just started to go out a bit more, be used to being in public more, and something you could try doing right now after you watch this video is going outside for 5 minutes on a walk, crossing the road you live, so you're just more used to not being in your little area, in your little cave, in your little territory of your house. Actually try going outside for a bit and doing something. And the thing I love about this is I've learned so much. I've grown so much as a person, and from the past weeks I've been outside regularly talking to people than I have years of watching YouTube videos, years of playing video games. And I've learned so much by actually doing the things that I knew I should have been doing anyway but haven't. So I really hope you can think about this the next time you're not sure what to do, you want to watch YouTube, you want to play video games or something. I hope you can really think about this, because if I did this 1 or 2 years ago, I would have been a lot further in life. Probably been talking to someone right now, but hey, at least I got you, right? And if you want a lot of other people to talk to who are more like us, then join the like-minded club in the link in the description. There's hundreds of people there, and I'm in there too. It's a lit place to be. It's pretty sick, honestly, how so many people just want to get better and really develop ourselves more. So I really hope you think about this video, and you probably already know what you should be doing, so try doing it, alright? I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace.